but on Friday, we're going to have another 1 hour. Is it okay? Give ample time for your friends, Muslim friends, to grab their food. Grab their food, not ordering through Grab. But if you have extra money, you can order through Grab, no problem. Okay, thank you, cool. Right, please, very quickly, scan the attendance. Welcome, Dayang Nadira, Lucas, Ibnu Amirul, Lau, Join, Awang. And for your information, you are going to be together with another 2 seniors, taking different codes, but they are following my my lectures. So. '27, 28, 4 from your class, then another 2 from different groups and batch. Right. If you follow our topic on ELIP, my courses for this semester, I teach e-business for master's level, EBB 6. 6 is the 6th year of study at the Faculty of Economic and Business. Here now, Kota Semarahan, March 2022. I also teach product innovation. I also bring a web technology for this subject. Saya usaha dan inovasi. This is for co-curriculum berkredit. If you haven't, have you took co-curriculum berkredit? If you haven't, you may join my class every Wednesday 2 to 4 p.m. Okay, welcome, Faris. And this is our course. I also teach multimedia technology for pelengkap for other faculties. So follow our ELIP. This is week 2. Some of the documents are still hidden from you. For example, this was for the last semester, don't worry. LU7, Future Science and Technology, week number 2. So, anyone else? You haven't introduced yourself, yeah, Faris dan saya, Jesslyn, week 1 congratulations done last week. I like the way you present. Although you seem reading your slide on the screen, but never mind. The way you present, I was happy to listen that it is from you, although you get it from ChatGPT, no worries. The purpose was I want you to not to listen passively to my lecture, but also actively involved in finding the information, or also verbally sharing it with your friends. Yes. For this week, week number 2, this last week was week number 2, and this is LU7 actually. Future technology, this is my slide. Alright, class, this is the slide for this week. Future web trends and technologies. Actually, not that future enough, because some of these technologies are here already, but maybe not fully developed and not really used by massive users of the internet. So for this week, I focus on these 7. The first technology, Web3 and decentralized technologies. The rise of blockchain. I guarantee that you have heard about blockchain. Web3, not Web 3.0, it's Web3. Because if you count by number of versions, Web 1.0, Web 2.0, Web 3.0, Web 4.0, these are different. Those are still under Web 2. For Web 3, everything decentralized. Nobody owns any technology. Nobody has the power to control everything, including the government. So maybe one of the danger part is that. But the more important thing is that the internet is more secure with blockchain. All transaction, all, for example, today you can use virtual private network. You can bypass minimum connection to Thailand or to any part of the world. And it's not transparent. Now, if you do that with Web3, if you do that, UNIMAS CITDS, Center of IT Development System, they will be able to track whatever happened to your mouse movement even on the screen. It's transparent enough, everything will be recorded. And it's user-centric. Now, at the moment, thing are not user-centric. You are being monitored actually. If you use internet inside university campus, be careful lah. But with Web3, user-centric, you own your own server, perhaps your own cloud system. Then everything you have on the internet become your asset, digital asset. For example, this image, this background image. I generated the image using one of the AI tools. I'll show you after this. Also, all the images for today, I just give the instruction to the AI tool to generate me the abstract representation of the text. What else? Digital ownership. Any of you here tried before? And NFT, anyone? I used to register one or two slides, one or two pages, but okay, I think we can cut off it. I registered one or two, but I'm not sure what happened now. What happened to my page on NFT? I just try to upload one or two images. Okay, Web3 and decentralized technology. One. Number two, in terms of design, dark mode web design. I think you are maybe not all of you. Your is on as simple as your Microsoft Word file, but you change it into dark mode using not really black, but maybe dark gray, because it in terms of aesthetic value is nicer. In terms of user experience, it reduces the eye strain, so that if your eye just focus on the white screen for many hours continuously, would maybe give you bad effect in terms of health, as well as battery life, saving battery life. But the web designer love this style nowadays in terms of web design to accommodate your preferences. Actually, if on Microsoft Word, any of you here raise your hand or give me the thumbs up, or if you're using black or dark mode on your Microsoft Word application. Anyone? Show me the icon, okay. Here, so right, couple of your names here. Okay, so you can feel the difference between white mode and bright mode and dark mode. Okay, so I think most of you prefer dark mode, right? So on web, the traditional way is white background or white theme, but now you convert into dark. I think this is simple and straightforward. Just convert. Don't use black. Black is not nice. Maybe dark gray, or that shades of color. Number three, AI and machine learning. You are experiencing it with ChatGPT last 2 weeks, but now how you can bring it into web design. For example, I use Midjourney to design or to develop this nice abstract representation of web connection or something. I don't know how they interpret my message, but you integrate it not only in web user behavior. Traditionally, we have web log every time you log on a website. It has the capability as simple as detecting your time, how long you are on the screen, from where you're from. It could detect your browser even. It could detect your IP address, operating system that you're using, or mobile or PC. Yeah. For more advanced data, maybe there are mouse movement tracker for this one. For example, I'm moving my mouse here towards left, towards right. So every movement could be detected by the browser, but you need extra tools. So here you can bring AI to analyze the user, and you can generate personalized experience. Be nice, huh? For example, if you like Nike shoe style, for example, the whole background would turn into Nike design system on the web. If you like Adidas style, so before you ask it offers you automatically. So I think all the companies would love to have this type of interaction, more targeted towards you, effective in terms of color, the font size, in terms of automating the font size, for example. Although now some of you are following me on mobile, so actually that paragraph, the small paragraph with a small font should automatically increase in terms of size. That is the capability of AI and machine learning. But nowadays, we are still limited to 4 So 4 we can do it automatically. Next, number 3, a voice and conversational interface for the web. Nice photo. Okay. I just asked Midjourney. Hi Midjourney, please. Midjourney. Midjourny. Any of you are using Midjourney? Show me hands. Show me any icon. None of you? You should try. It gives you 25 free image generation images first. Mila, you're leaving the meeting. It gives you free. Just give instruction. Hi Midjourney, draw for me voice agent, for example. It would give you imaginative design like this. I love this design. Although it's not perfect, but these are how AI gives you the interpretation of the text. At the moment, a web system, we just limit it with text interface. You need to type in. That's it. But in the future, maybe voice assistant. You connect with Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. For all of you who are using Android phones, Google Assistant is in your Google menu. Try it. Just talk to your Google Assistant. Hi Google, show me this and that. It will help you. Okay. So for voice and conversational interface, web designers are working how web could listen to your voice. So just interact. For example, filling up the form, just say yes, no, click here, move to the next step, or scroll down. Would be nice. Maybe not in the near future. Next 3-5 years. 3D and VR experiences on the web. This is also an interesting thing. Although you need the limitation where you can view it on your monitor, or traditional monitor. You need an extra VR apparatus or HMD, head-mounted display. Then you can interact with the web content, so that you will feel more immersed, not being trained by being blocked by boring 2D flat monitor, because this one is almost 3D. Although if you remove your HMD, it will become 2D. Now it looks like 3D, but actually it's 2D. You can imagine the Z, the dimension, the depth of the image. Okay, next, progressive web apps. This is not future. We have been using it. I'm talking about progressive web apps in 2016, more than 5 years now. Here, progressive means it's a web page, but it puts nicely on phone, if you're using a tablet, or if you're using, for example, here this is just AI imaginative design for mobile app. The same content on the web, but now you experience it on mobile. You don't have to switch it. It would be automatically, all the small fonts on web would be automatically enlarged, so that you don't have to do it. So if you are using mobile phones, Google Chrome on mobile phone, and if you experience the font is too small, you just switch on to, if you never tried before, Google Chrome, and on the three vertical dots menu, scroll down, find desktop type. There's an icon for desktop type. So by default is desktop type. But if you switch it to mobile, all the screen you need to use your fingers to zoom in, zoom out. Okay? But if you stick on the default, it would be mobile. Right, next would be AR integration on the web. For AR, you need the phone, but now the whole web becomes your AR tool. Yeah. AR means you need to scan, maybe using a card or image, then the butterflies would appear on your mobile phone. But if you move your phones from the it's called a marker for AR, then the butterflies would disappear. There's two types of AR, marker and markerless. If it's marker, you need a marker or a card or QR code, you need to scan it. If it's markerless, normally the designer can set any flat screen, any platform, should be okay. The plain or plain table or your table or the floor, you just scan it, it would appear. You don't have to scan any images. This is the AR integration on the web. Okay, done. Only 7. Enough. Do you like my slide? Ganas, dia punya design all are from AI. AI generated image. Even the description. I just throw in the keyword. The rest are given by AI. But be careful. Be careful. Maybe AI is not capable enough to give you that direct or the correct answer. So for today, these are the 7 web technologies. Okay. Enough listening from me. Now it's your turn. So, this one. Go to week 2. Okay, click here. Week 2 group discussion topics. There are 7 topics as I've discussed just now briefly, surfacely on surface. But now I want you to go very deep. Give me the technology. Give me of course, the subject is about technology. Give me how it works. Give me maybe examples of the screen, maybe. Okay, so the instruction is discuss in group, 5 in a group. Use a single Canva infographic image to summarize the discussion. The group leader, create one Canva design. Canva, go for create a design. Infographic is here, but it's vertical. I want it to be horizontal. So just A4 document maybe. For document. So again, the document is A4 is like this. I want it to be vertical. So change the dimension. Now create a design. Custom size. What is the dimension for horizontal? For the size for TM21, 29.7. So 21.7. 9.7. 1. Wait, up. 9.7 here. Okay, nice. This is the A4 size. On the design template, just find infographic, graphic. That's it. We can't find the template because of the size, because of the dimension. Limited to 2. Any suggestion? I want to make your life easy. Don't focus on the design. Focus on the content. Again, bye. Design. Any suggestion? Anyone? Infographic is long. I mean, it's a vertical. It's a vertical this way. I like the template because I want you to save your time focusing on the design. Don't focus on the design. Focus on the content. Okay, never mind. Just use this one. Infographic on Canva. Pick one. Any of the design. Example. What's the topic for your group? Example, Web3. This is not the assignment. This is just a discussion activity for this week. Tell me briefly about this technology. Maybe the what, how. This is just an example for the design. Go for real snapshot of the design. We use ChatGPT to give you details. It's 2.0. On so divide your task. Who is going to find the information? But the best is all of you do the searching. But in terms of the final design, you want group leader give me the summary on the using the what's that? This type of infographic. I leave it to your creativity. But please don't just copy and paste. You need to interpret it first, discuss among your group member, and come up with a final infographic. Okay, so get ready. I'm going to send you to the breakout room. For each of the room, only limit to 5. So you just click join any of the group. Make sure you memorize your group members, because you need to share this link. Okay. Make sure anyone with the link can edit it, or so that your friends is able to edit it later on. Then copy the link, share it among 5 of you. Okay. Any questions? Because after this, you can't listen to my voice, because all of you are going to be sent to the private room, 7 room altogether. Okay, ready? Yes, summarize the topic. So just use this Canva. So keyword only. The rest you explain it verbally. Next. This Friday lah. This Friday 5 p.m. Yes, you may choose your own group. I will leave you liberty to do that. Just click join, and you can join any group. Okay, ready? Oh, 7. Choose education. Okay, ready? So you have any question, you ask me to WhatsApp. My lectures end here officially, but you have another remaining half an hour or so. You may stop your discussion at 6. Of course, if you need more time, you can gather after the class. But give time for your friends to have their break, to break their fasting for the poster. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah, please.
When do we present?
Friday 5 p.m. Actually, our class is Monday 5 to 7, Friday 4 to 6. But for this Friday, I'll make it 5 to 6. Is that okay?
Okay.
Right. So that's our subject is for credit. Okay, ready? Oh, sorry, Good Friday. Okay. All right, thank you. Thank you for for the reminder. Okay. Present next week, Monday. Is it okay? No class on Good Friday. No class on public holiday. Okay, you present it next Monday, 5 p.m. So you have time lah. You just berapi-rapi semangat nak buat infographic. Okay. Please do this not just for the sake of designing, but for the sake of learning new technology. Okay. You should share the technology with the rest of your friends next week. Okay. So ready? Okay. Click join. I am still here until 6. If you can speak to me from your room, you need to go back to the main session and say hello, or you may send WhatsApp message. The group session means the title of your group. For example, breakout session number 1, your discussion title topic is Web3 and decentralized technology. Group 2, dark mode web design. Group 3, AI and machine learning in web design. Group 4, voice and conversational interface for the web. Group 5, 3D and VR. Group 6, PWA. Okay, I will join your group from the breakout session from time to time. Okay. Any other questions? Ask now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Where did you
Hi, group 3. Any questions? Amirul, Jasmine, Hazwan, who? Do you understand the task?
Yes. So can you,
Amirul?
sir,
Yes.
can you explain again? Because
Okay.
it's really raining here, so can't really hear.
Right. Okay. So for group 3, your topic is AI and machine learning in web design. So you can Google it, you can use ChatGPT to find the information. Then gather the information, compile it on one Canva infographic. One of you create
Yeah.
that Canva thing, and the rest of you can edit it at the same time. Share the link, all of you can edit it at the same time. And decide which part should be done by whom. Okay, understand? Any
So,
questions?
yes, sir, is it okay for our group to have 6 members?
Yeah, never mind. Yeah, please do. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Two. Keluar. Keluar.